Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, we are working on our themed Christmas room this year, which is the Grinch and Whoville. My daughter Alexis and I kind of just took a Sunday and didn't finish it all in the one day, but we got a really good start. It was super fun, and it was kind of fun because it's a different theme than we've ever done before, so it took a lot of creativity, and I think at the home tour, you're going to end up loving it as much as we did.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm really loving the DIY items that I made to use in this particular room. The boxes, the presents wrapped in these bright colors, the bouncy balls that I made into big candy pieces for the tree. If you did not see that video, I will link it at the end. But, you know, it just brought such great impact for very, very small amount of money. And, you know, just being able to fill up a tree and go with the theme and fill up a room when you don't really have any decor, you know, it just helps to do these kind of, you know, fun DIYs that can just bring impact. Another thing I found that I did, and I do this all the time, but especially in a room like this where, you know, I don't decorate this way every year, so I don't have set themed decor for this. You know, I just went from box to box and kind of would say to myself, wait a second, I have, you know, this that I used in the kids' room, or I had this that I used to put in the family room. That would kind of go and, you know, kind of piece together some decor that isn't exactly Whoville or you know, the Grinch or whatever, but it just it worked. You know, the color scheme or the you know, the people, or just, you know, making a village that I used to always have just on its own become a centerpiece. That's the kind of stuff that think outside of the box and look through what you have and how can you use that decor to create you know, a beautiful scene.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow.
Anytime I'm working on a room, I try to, obviously I have a kind of a vision of what I see happening, but I try to take one area at a time, and I always try to connect. For instance, in the entryway, that has a lot more of Grinch, and then the dining room is more Whoville. But I also, you know, paid mind to connect the two rooms. You know, we put the cute little Grinch's booty in the tree just to kind of play off of him being mischievous and you know, messing around with Christmas trees. But then also trying to bring Whoville a bit up into the entryway so that the two rooms go together. It makes sense.
The first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow
Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're not disappointed that I did not show everything of the room as a final show. I just really want you to be surprised and enjoy and just, maybe make it a holiday, just fun and enjoyable thing to see, the decorations and everything. And obviously not feeling like you have to decorate this way, to have a cozy home. This is something I 100% do because I love it and I love doing it for my family. But in no means do I think everybody needs to decorate like this, to have a beautiful Christmas home or cozy home. But I do hope that, if anything, it just is entertainment and enjoyment, and that you will come back and see the home tour. It should go up the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So I am super excited about that. And then we will do a tour of the lights, the front patio, the back patio. And that'll do it for the actual decorating videos. So thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.